Our approach is directly start application with simple example. So let's start with Swift programming. So for that you need Xcode setup that you can download from Apple Store. So I already downloaded Xcode software. So start to prepare a simple application. So here you can see create a new Xcode project. Click on create a new project. Here you can see iOS application. Select iOS application and single view application. Go to next. Give a project name. Count value. Here you can see organization name. You can mention your company name here. Organization identifier. You can give your organization name also. Start with com.name. You can select either Swift language or Objective C. Currently we discuss about Swift programming, so we will select Swift, and here we have device option either iPhone or iPad, but we will select universal so it works for both. Click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask for where you want to save this project. Mention your suitable path and click to create. So project is now created. So here you can see a left side project navigator window. My project name is count value. These are the different files. Here you can see a project navigator window. If I don't want to see this left side project navigator window, click here. If you want to change anything, click enable. So so first application is apps delegate.swift. You once the simultaneously is load, it goes here and run a different command like application is launch, application running on background, foreground application. Here you can change and you can see the effect on simulator. View controller. Here we have to write our Swift programming and main storyboard. It's a graphical representation of a mobile view controller. So first select main storyboard, select view controller, then at right hand side you can see property. You can select different size. So currently I am unable to view my main storyboard, so I will reduce my iPhone size to 4 inch. Now you can see now reduce. Orientation also I will set with portrait. Okay, now that's fine. Now I want to create simple application to counting a value. So first I need one label. So here you can see show the object library. Once you are in the main storyboard file, here you can select this object library and search your component. I need label. Type label, select the label and drag it to main storyboard. Adjust accordingly. Select alignment. Here you can change, let's start count. Now I need one button. When I click on that button, count is increase or change. Type button. Here you can see in object library, select button. You can also change button name, count, or add count. Okay. Also you can change the background and for view control. So currently that's fine. So this is one label and one button. Now we will move to interface. How to write interface of label and button. So here you can see one assistant editor. Click here. Once you click on assistant editor, you can see your view controller.zip file. Now I don't require this right panel property and project navigator also. Adjust your screen accordingly. So our intention is to, when I click on add count button, a label text is changed and I can see a new count. So for that, first select control, right click and drag a label. So here we have to select outlet for interface, give label name, output label, type is UI label, click on connect. So the label output interface is created. Now I need counter value. So define one variable, count value, type is integer, so you can easily identify initial value is 0. So first task is complete. I define variable label and one variable name is count value, initial value is 0. Now I want to perform action. When I click on button, something happen and label name is changed. So for that I need action. So select control and drag button here. Here you can select action, button name you can give anything, button count, here you can select type as a UI button, click on connect. Once you click connect, here you can see IB action, one function is created, function name is button count. Our intention is to, when I click on button, label name is changed, so I can write output label dot text property equal to mentions in the string count has been changed, variable name, my variable is count value, count value number of, or just simply you can say times. Okay, And also I need to change the label color. So my label name is output label dot properties text color equal to UI color dot. You can select either black color, blue color. I want to change with blue color. Okay, now everything is ready. Let's check. So once the interface is created, you can select here different iPhone version. This time we select iPhone 4S. Now run your application. Will successful. When you launch a simulator first time, it takes a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes because it takes time. So our project name is count value. Let's start count. It's a label name. Serve button. Add count. When I click on add count, you can see count has been changed 0 times. When I click again, count will not change because I never change count value. So go to code. Here I have to mention count value equal to count value plus 1. So now again command V build our application. Command R run application. Okay, let's start add count. Now you can see the count has been changed one time. Click again second time, third time, fourth time, like this. So this is our simple application. So in future onwards we will guide you practical approach how to create different application with Swift programming. Thank you very much.